Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to start our lesson 5. In lesson 5, we are going to study the topic of Al-idhaafah. Before going into the details of Al-idhaafah, first we will see the terminologies related to Al-idhaafah. The first terminology related to Al-idhaafah is Murakkabun. Murakkabun is the composition or compound of two words. Next terminology is Murakkabun Idhaafiyun. It is nothing but the compound or composition of two nouns, in which first noun is related to the second noun, and that is called as Murakkabun Idhaafiyun. And such kind of relationship between the nouns is called as Al-idhaafah. Now we proceed to the examples of Murakkabun Idhaafiyun. Let's see the first example. Qalamu Hamidin. Next example, Baytul Mudarrisi. We observe in the first combination that first word is having a sign and it is not tanween, and second word or second noun is having tanween bil kasra. First word in such combination is called as mudhaaf, and second word in such combination is called as mudhaafun ilayhi. Now in first example, qalamun is mudhaaf and next word is mudhaaf ilayhi, that is hamidin. In second example, Baytul Mudarrisi, first word is mudhaaf and second word is mudhaaf ilayhi.